So we are here today to discuss that our neighbor's husband has a affair with other man, and we are not gonna let this pass. We're gonna find a way to catch that and reveal to her, and then she will realize the dangers of this. What the fuck is that? Hey, look, it's them. They're outside next to the car. What the hell are they doing?
This is the opportunity we have found. We are taking drugs.
Yeah, we have to have act quickly before something. Where is? Look, they are leaving. They are going to the airport. Hurry, get in the car. We need to catch them. They are going to the airport. The airport's there. Stop right there, son of a bitch. Miss Epso, I need to tell you something. The man you call husband is actually a gay, and he's having an affair with this man. But I know that. What? I know because I am in an open relationship. And he is also a police officer. What? Yeah, I am a police officer, and I was there because I was investigating your illegal activities, being a homophobic society, organization, whatever. You are arrested because of your behavior. This cannot be true. Oh, no, oh, no, no.